Aam Aadmi or volunteers have always been supportive of Goincho Avaaz as a movement right from the inception. Today's news that Goincho Avaaz has decided to become a political entity is welcomed by us. Many of us supported Goincho Avaaz for various inputs right from the beginning, and we also have been part of various movements like Goa Against Coal, Our Rivers, Our Rights, and various other environmental movements where we all work together. So we welcome the decision of Goincho Avaaz to jump on the political bandwagon. Having said that, Goincho Avaaz becomes a natural ally of only Aam Aadmi Party and no other party, for the simple reason that what we believe in Swaraj, what Aam Aadmi Party believes in 73rd, 74th Amendment, what Aam Aadmi Party believes in governance at grassroots, the same thing, same agenda is being propagated by Goincho Avaaz right from the beginning. So there is no other party which qualifies to align, neither the Congress nor the BJP, nor go forward. They don't qualify to align with Goincho Avaaz, for the simple reason that on various platforms, Goincho Avaaz has openly exposed the misdeeds of the Congress, the congressmen, of the BJP, of the go forward MLAs in open platform, and none of these people qualify or deserve any support from Goincho Avaaz. Only thing, Goincho Avaaz, before plunging into this political movement, have not taken any of the supporters from up over there with them into confidence. And after seeing this 16B issue, what has been happening, it is for everyone to judge what may be the reasons.